new COVID-19 variant in France isn't detected by standard PCR tests. SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, is still mutating as days go by. Recently, French authorities discovered a new variant that does not match existing variants of concern. Because there's no official name yet, they nicknamed it La Variante Bretonne, according to Forbes. Authorities have collected several samples of this new variant, and so far, the new mutation is not associated with higher transmissibility or severe COVID-19. However, what may be considered alarming is the ability of this variant to evade detection. A cluster of 79 cases led authorities to the said variant. Of that, 8 tested negative for COVID-19 from the gold standard RT-PCR test, despite showing symptoms of the disease. Later on, the coronavirus infection was confirmed in blood samples and tissue in the respiratory system. All of these individuals eventually succumbed to the illness. There are 2 concerning matters that must be determined soon. First, how did the variant evade the gold standard in COVID-19 testing? They offered the highest sensitivity and specificity to the coronavirus. Based on the report, 8 people were confirmed later with COVID-19, and each one was not detected by the test. This might show the high chances of the variant to avoid the standard testing. Second, will the variant respond to existing vaccines or antibodies by natural infection? If this new variant can evade antibodies, it has to be contained soon. A new variant that boasts skills to escape both antibodies and testing may become the greatest threat yet in this pandemic. But if antibodies can work against it, experts may only need to optimize PCR tests to better detect this new variant. The emergence of a variant that can avoid PCR tests is nothing new. Last month, researchers in Finland caught one variant that is undetected by at least one standard PCR test, though not every conventional PCT test. It seems the new variant in France has the same ability. Due to the mutation, the World Health Organization categorized the new variant under variants under investigation. Globally, the Brazilian, South Africa, and UK variants are the big 3 forces driving massive surges of COVID-19 cases. Even with vaccination rollouts, some cities are still facing unusual spikes in numbers. These spikes are indicating the uncontrolled spread of infection, and if it persists, it may give birth to new variants or worse, a new strain.